Question number one. What is safety?
Safety is a condition which keeps you freedom from hazard, risks, accident, which may cause injury, damage, and loss to material and property damage, and even death, or the absence of risks of serious personal injury.
Question number two. What is hazard?
Anything that has potential to cause harm or called hazard.
Question number three. Write some hazard at the construction site.
There are some common hazards at the construction site such as moving object, slip, tree, falls, noise, work at height, manual handling, clumps of soil, electricity, poor housekeeping, mechanical hazard.
Question number four. What is risk?
Risk is the probability of being harmed by any hazard. Risk बराबर likelihood गुना severity, likelihood chance and probability of hazard occurrence, severity, consequence and impact of hazard.
Question number five. What is risk assessment?
Risk assessment is the method to systematically examine a job, identify hazard, evaluation risks, and specify precautionary measure.
Question number six. Risk assessment step by step.
Identify the hazard, decide who might be harmed and how. Evaluate the risks and take precaution. Implement the precaution, review and update if necessary.
Question number seven. Difference between JSA and risk assessment.
JSA only specify hazard and precaution, while risk assessment especially hazard, precaution and risk associated with the each hazard.
Number 8. HSE policy and safety policy.
HSE policy is a written statement of the commitment by the top management of the organization. Every company has a social and legal obligation to provide a safe and health working environment to all his employees.
Question number 9. What is safety committee meeting?
It is a joint meeting among worker representative and company management which focus on safety issue.
Question number 10. What is SOP?
Standard operating procedure. It is a set of written instructions that describes in detail how to perform a hazardous work safely.
Question number 11. What is TWA?
Time weighted average. It means the concentration of contaminant in the air in which worker can be exposed for 8 hours a day and 40 hours in a week without any adverse effect. H2S is less than 10 ppm.
Question number 12. STEL.
Exposure limit. STEL means the maximum concentration of a chemical or toxic gas at which worker can expose for up to 15 minutes without any adverse health effect. H2S is 15 ppm.
Question number 13. What is IDLH?
immediate dangerous to life and health. The concentration of chemical contaminant at which if worker will expose, then it will pose an immediate threat of life when H2S is above 100 ppm.
Question number 14. What is JSA? Job safety analysis is the step-by-step analysis of a job to know about its hazard and specify precautionary measure. Question number 15. What is H2S?
H2S, also known as hydrogen sulfide. H2S is a toxic and flammable gas. It smells like rotten egg at the concentration of the 1 ppm. H2S is a colorless gas and heavier than air.